What's going on, everyone? My name is Jennifer Altman, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to style activewear, featuring the brand Fitbeeapparel. So this video will be great for people who are into minimalist fashion. These styles are very simple, yet stylish, and little to no effort. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's dive into today's video. So our first style of the day is a super cute, perfect for fall. This sweater is Fitbee's crop sweater in the color Noir. We do plan on restocking these. We do have a few available on our site right now in colors Noir, cream, and ginger snap. Paired with this sweater, we have this maxi skirt I found on Amazon. I had to find a skirt for a wedding, so I just quickly ordered a skirt from Amazon, and I honestly fell in love with this skirt. I wear it all the time. It is such a staple in my wardrobe. I feel like every girl needs a pair of tights. So this outfit is perfect with tights and then paired with knee-high boots. I also did find these knee-high boots on Amazon. I went to a cosplay event and I was X23, so I needed leather knee-high boots, and I found these on Amazon, and they are honestly my favorite pair of boots. So this fit is perfect for the fall time. I'm so excited to wear this outfit more often here in Chicago, but it is also great for if you're in warmer weathers such as Florida, from where I'm from. I always wore this outfit there. Okay, moving on to our next fit. Okay, so this fit is perfect for the warmer weather. I was wearing this outfit a lot in the summertime here in Chicago, but I figured I would probably still be wearing this in the fall time paired with a nice jacket, but I wanted an option for the people in the warmer states or warmer climates. This is our Noir deep V-shaped sports bra. I love this bra. It's perfect for the lower impact workouts that you do, but as well as wearing it outside of the gym. It's sexy, but super comfortable, and I love to pair it with high-waisted jeans. These I found at Primark here in Chicago. Honestly, that's my favorite store to shop at for jeans. I own 5 or 6 pairs of their jeans already. They're super comfortable, and you know I love my comfort, but paired with this sports bra, it's super cute. I can't wait to wear it again in the fall time, but put over a jacket of some sort. Such a simple outfit idea where you don't really have to think too much of it. Highly suggest pairing a sports bra with a pair of jeans, because it's such little to no effort of an outfit, but it looks like you put effort into it, if that makes sense. Okay, moving on to our next outfit. Okay, I personally wore this outfit a few weeks ago here in Chicago to a networking event. I wanted to symbolize my brand, but also mix it with business wear, because a lot of girls were wearing dresses, heels. I personally don't own a lot of dresses. That's just not my style per se. I paired the ultra soft high-rise Fitbee leggings with our Joyd deep V-shaped bra, along with this blazer I found on Amazon. I feel like this is more sport chic type of style. This is one of my favorite outfits I've ever put together, and I think it really resembled me as a small business owner running a fitness apparel brand. So moving on to the next outfit. Okay, this outfit is perfect for going out for the night. You want to dress comfortable, but you don't want to put too much effort into an outfit. Back with our ultra soft Noir high waist leggings, paired with our Dijon halter top sports bra, paired with a black denim jacket. And these heels that I found out of thrift store are Nasty Gal heels. They are so cute and they look so good paired with black leggings. It kind of gives me that Kim K vibe of those outfits she wears that are, her outfits are literally combined with her heels. It looks like no effort was put into this outfit, which makes you just look badass and just confident looking. I love that. Such a badass vibe, if you have to ask me. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love putting together outfits mixed with fitness apparel. It really helps bring out my personality when I'm outside of the gym. I want to mix in comfort yet style along with fitness apparel. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to leave comments down below. But until next time, peace.